just arrived at the Ginger Factory here at Yandina, and we're about to go and have an awesome morning having a look around. So come with us and check out the Ginger Factory. One of the rides that you can go on here at the Ginger Factory is the Morton sugarcane train ride that goes around the plantation, and it's one of the original sugarcane trains that they used in harvesting the ginger here. So yeah, we're going to go on a ride and see how we go.
The kids will love it, and the grown-ups.
And the grown-ups. Yeah, the kids will love it, and the grown-ups.
For safety and comfort of all passengers, we ask you to remain seated, keeping arms and legs inside the carriages at all times. Smoking is not permitted. Deeper and deeper into the rainforest, in search of signs for the characters mouse, fox, owl, snake, and of course, the gruffalo. So the sight of the Super Bee live bee show. You hear the buzz in the air. This unique display lets you see right inside a real beehive and learn about one of nature's hardest working creatures.
Some of the old farming machinery that they used a long time ago.